this is happening to you yet, at this time of the year in physics, you might be having some physics moments outside of class. Is that happening?
Yes.
Does anybody have an example they would like to share? Taylor?
Yesterday I was watching the Olympics and they said torque and I knew what they were talking about.
Fabulous. And anybody else? Rachel?
In English class, we were doing vocabulary and we had the word tangential.
Excellent, and you've studied that, haven't you? So hopefully more and more moments are coming back where you say, hey, what is happening outside this classroom relates to what's happening inside. Now, I want you to think for a second about ice cream. And you have just done a few labs where we've studied thermodynamics. And I want you to think about the thermodynamics of ice cream making. What would be happening? What would the heat exchange be? I want you to talk about that for a second in your table groups.
Can you repeat that, Taylor? As long as
You know, don't be nervous. That'll be just whatever's happening in your head at that time, because we want to get an idea of how you're processing. Okay, so any questions on how you're going to do this? You're going to do this in groups of 2. So you have a pair. And what else? Any other questions?
Oh, God. I was getting terrible. Ice cream.
No questions? Okay, good. Eating over here. The cups, putting it in cups at the end. And spoons. Are there spoons? Yep. Great. It's coming. Ready?
Ice cream. Get all the air out of it.
Mittens? Anybody have mittens? That's not So hot. I'm gonna get a little bit, but I have a whole thing of ice cream myself.
yeah, now you'll be fat.
Yeah. Chunky. Gotta keep the weight on. So we did it last year.
Solid. So big. I think you know it's snowing first.
You can't really hear. I can't hear.
No, I'm sure it'll be really. I know what we should do.
Over here. Aliens are taking an ice bath.
Question. As you're doing the lab and you're thinking, describe 2 ways energy is transferred in the making of ice cream. I think I'll just pull some sticks for this. Ready? So are you thinking of your answer?
Yeah.
Alyssa, what? Right behind you. First question. Describe 2 ways energy is transferred in the making of ice cream.
The cold from the ice and the rocks are transferred into the ice cream, and it freezes it.
Good. So did you say the cold is transferred to the milk? Okay. Anybody else have another way to say that?
The energy from the snow.
Energy from the snow? Which has more energy, the snow or the milk?
No.
Oh, okay, listen to this. Just for audio's sake. So listen to this idea and see what you think about this. Say that again.
The energy from the milk is lost to the snow.
So we've got 2 ways to think about that. Is the cold transferred to the milk? Or is the energy from the milk transferred to the snow?
Definitely got salt in my
That
bag.
was just a cold bit.
Yes. Energy is transferred from hot to cold. So that's one way. The question says, describe 2 ways. Are there any other energy transfers that you experienced?
Oh, hands.
Let me draw 6. Lauren.
Oh man. Your hands get really cold when you do it because the heat from your hands is going into the bag.
Good. Did you see how she said that? She didn't say the cold from the bag is going to your hands. She said the heat from your hands is going to the. Nice. Very nice. Okay, excellent. Keep working, processing. We'll do number 2. What about the salt in the milk? I mean, the ice in the milk.
The milk was warmer.
Okay, the milk was warmer than the ice at the beginning. How about the very end? What do you think about
The milk,
should he be
salt, it all became water because the milk had ice, had melted. Water because he had passed to it.
Good. Do you think they were at the same time? No. What'd you find out? I wish you would. You don't know? Did you get it a lab test? So you don't think that the ice cream and the ice are the same temperature? Which one do you think was warmer?
I don't think so, Charlie. She's like, Charlie.
Ice.
Okay.